Hello friends, I'm Akhilesh Kumar Srivastava and we are solving the questions of the Hackerrank linked list. This is the last question which says that we have to reverse the given doubly linked list. So for reversing any of the linked list, let's say we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to have 4, 3, 2, 1 in the linked list. So what we can do that, we can insert all these data values one by one on a stack, and then once all the data items have been inserted on the stack, pushed on the stack, I'll start popping the data values from this stack. First value popped is 4. Let's replace this 1 with 4. Then next data value popped is 3. Let's replace this 2 with 3. Next data value popped is 2. Let's replace this 3 with 2. And finally bring out 1 from the stack and let's replace this 4 with 1. So this way the linked list the given linked list becomes 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is not in place, I know, but yes, the in place working may be very difficult to write. Hence I have used extra space in the form of the stack for writing this code. So here is the reverse doubly linked list code. Taken a stack S and a pointer, temporary pointer P, which points to the first node. So while P is not null, I am traversing the linked list, finding out the data value of the current node and pushing that on the stack and moving to the next node. So when all nodes will be covered, P will become null. After this, we are once again reinitializing this P to point to the first node, and then once again traversing, bringing out the data from the stack, and then we are replacing the data of the current node from the linked list with the data value that we have obtained from the stack, then moving to the next node. So this way we are replacing the data values of the given linked list by bringing out the data from the stack. Obviously the stack works on the last in first out principle, hence we will be reversing the given doubly linked list. Finally, we will return the address of the first node, then what is expected, that is what is expected here. So throughout this linked list module, we have used this concept that after the code has got completed, we are returning the address of the first node. Let's run this code. You can see that the sample test cases have got passed, and all other test cases have also got passed. So this completes the Hackerrank linked list module, but before ending up, I will request you to write this code in place. I hope you must have understood every single concept discussed in the Hackerrank module. Please like this video and all other videos of the Hackerrank linked list module. Subscribe to my channel and share the concepts with your friends also. Thank you so much for watching.